Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video just a quick one to show you how to reset your network settings if you're having problems with connectivity, or maybe you've changed some network cards, Wi-Fi adapters, all those kinds of things. Keep watching to find out how. Okay, so today we're going to learn how to reset all of our network settings in our Windows 11 installation. So if you have maybe changed out a network card, or you've been regularly swapping motherboards, USB sticks, that kind of stuff, all of which have their own USB or PCI Express protocols that are used for networking. Maybe you're having problems with connectivity, certain things aren't working. So this is how to reset it back to its defaults. This is a very simple way of doing it. There are more in-depth ways of doing it if you're still having problems. And of course, if you are, please feel free to reach out to us from the comments section below, or just drop us a line, mike@mikesunboxing.com. But otherwise, you can just follow this. So first thing you want to do is to go to your Windows settings. So for us, we're going to click on the Windows flag and then click on settings. I've got a shortcut here, but you may find it elsewhere. Alternatively, you can just type settings in the search bar at the top. So open settings, and on the left hand side, if you want to scroll down or go down to where it says network and internet, click on that. And this is going to show you all your network settings. So what we want to do, you can ignore all of this, go to the very bottom where you've got advanced network settings and click on this. This will expand this section and it will give you various options, but the main one we want here is our network reset. So this says reset all network adapters to their factory settings. Now obviously before you do this, make sure if you're using any devices which actually do rely on drivers which had to be installed that aren't covered with Windows 11, make sure you've got those handy first of all, otherwise you'll need to go onto another computer with network access to get those again. But when you're ready, continue, click on the bar, and basically this is it. It will remove all your network drivers, all that kind of stuff, any VPN settings, all that will be removed, and then your PC will be restarted. So when you're ready, click on Reset Now. You get another warning saying Network Reset. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? In this instance, we definitely do, so we're going to click on Yes. Next, you'll get a message saying you're about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. Obviously, you don't have to wait 5 minutes. You can just click on Close. Close down anything which is open, and then head over to the Windows Start flag, click on Power, and choose Restart. By the time you get back to the login screen, you'll probably find that Windows has actually updated the drivers in the background if they're part of the default Windows installation. You'll know that by in the bottom right hand corner, you should have your network connectivity icon. If you're using a wireless connection or Wi-Fi connection, you may need to go back in and put in your Wi-Fi credentials. When you go back into Windows, obviously it's going to reset some things as well, such as your firewall settings. So for instance here with our QNAP software, it's now asking to be allowed access to the internet once again to be able to do what it needs to do. So we're going to go ahead and click on access. Obviously for any programs that you're using, then make sure you go ahead and do that. You may get various notifications coming through, especially when you open up things like Chrome, Edge, or basically anything which uses the internet, just to reset those firewall protocols if they're installed. And obviously if you've got a third-party program such as Norton, all those kinds of things, then you'll need to re-establish connectivity in those also. But hopefully this is going to fix all of your connectivity issues. Other things you can try, obviously, if you are having connectivity problems, if you're on Wi-Fi, try and get your Wi-Fi adapter closer to the router or your access points, those kinds of things, and other things such as the simple ones. Have you turned off your router and turned it back on again? That can also be extremely helpful, as we found out on our Discord today. And of course, if you do want more help, you can join us on our Discord chat. It is completely free. All you need to do is to click on the link in the video description, agree to the terms and conditions of the Discord, and you can come on in and get technical support free of charge, and hopefully any other additional issues you may have, we can help you out with. But that's it for today. I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video, or on the Discord. Thanks for watching.